In this video, I'll be showing you how to use Facebook Messenger. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, you can do this on iPhone, Android, or Samsung. All you want to do is go to your App Store or the Google Play Store and type in Messenger like so, and then just make sure you download this one by Meta Platforms Incorporated. Once you do, if you already have Facebook installed like I do and I'm already logged into an account, what I got to go ahead and do is press Messenger like so, and then it should automatically log me in. If it doesn't, just log into your Facebook account. Now over here, you can manage your, your friends list and stuff. So you can message people through your friends list. I can press the thing on the top right, and then I could go ahead and message someone. Or what I could do is I can also manage things from my marketplace as well. If you're going and selling anything or trying to buy anything. You could also go to the menu right here. It shows message requests. It shows an archive if you have that. And it also shows your Facebook group. So you can really do a lot through the Messenger. And you can also, go through your friend requests through here as well. But it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe and check out our other videos on the channel too.